we are going to discuss here is about the difference between parametric test and non-parametric, like parametric statistics and non-parametric statistics. Before we jump to parametric and non-parametric, we have to understand the types of data. We have two main types of data. We have numeric data, which is about numbers, and we have non-numeric data, which is about text, words, or phrases, or sentences, like whatever. Okay? When we talk about the numeric, it is mainly used for quantitative data, and non-numeric, we use it for qualitative method. For numeric data, we have like 4 or 5 different types. The first is about continuous data. When we talk about continuous data, that means it can take any value, okay? Any value, whether it is a percentage or like a normal number or what. When we talk about height, weight, and temperature, we can say like the height is 121, and we also add 0.2, 0.5 or something. The weight, we can say like 55.7. So you see the points that appear here. This is like, we call it continuous data. But when we talk about discrete data, this means whole numbers. Like you cannot, like you divide, you cannot put in percentage or anything. You just count. When we say the number of students, like we can say like 10, 20, but we cannot say 10.5 or 10.10. And even when you count the number of cars, you cannot say we have 10 cars, 10.5 cars, or 10.11.1 cars. Okay? We only say we have 11 cars, 2 cars, 3 cars. So it is whole numbers. It does not include like a percentage. It does not include like like something that is continuous. And when we talk about ordinal data, like that means like we have ordered category. We have order. When we talk about like measuring the satisfaction level, if someone tell you to measure your satisfaction level, how satisfied are you with this like food you are eating, you can put in order, like we say very highly satisfied, like satisfied, medium satisfied, not satisfied, like very not like strongly not satisfied. Okay, so we put in categories, or you can say strongly agree, strongly disagree, like, okay, this is categories, ordered categories. This is, we call it ordinal. And we have the nominal data. When we talk about nominal data, that means like in names, like if you say gender, male or female, there is no order here. Okay, when you talk about the religion and the country, there is no order here. Like are they Muslim or like Christian, but we cannot put in order, like which is the top and which is the lower and which is like that. Okay, we have the religion and the country. So this is the main types of data. The second point is the type of distribution. We have to also to understand the different types of distribution. We have 3 main types of distribution. The normal distribution, which is here in the middle. You see all the data, like when you collect a large, like the sample, you find that all the data, like most of the data is scattered in the middle. This is your data. Like most of the values you are calculating are in the middle. So you have like symmetrical bell shape, like this is like a bell shape, okay? And this is like when you say the IQ scores, the height, the exam scores, okay? This is the normal distribution, but you have the skewed data, which is like, this is the left skewed, like this is the left skewed, like you see the data are in the lower values, like most of the values are in the lower than the medium value, okay? And here you see that the right is skewed, also the data is skewed to right, okay? You see here like most of the data are on the right side, okay? They are not, most of the data is not in the middle. So this is the difference between the different distribution. So that means like even this is very important to understand the difference, because when data is normal, we have it can differ whether we use parametric statistics or non-parametric statistics. If it is like normal distribution, we use parametric. If it is skewed data, like data is scattered on the left or on the right rather than in the middle, then we use non-parametric statistics.